seem to log into your Instagram account, try the following things.
If you get this error, or the worst of all, you're not receiving the passcode when you're requesting for one to get back into your Instagram account, I'm gonna give you 16 tips that have helped people get back into their accounts before.
And quick disclaimer, none of these tips are 100% guaranteed to work due to the fact that Instagram is so broken and unreliable. Back to the video.
First of all, why can't you log into Instagram? Well, if you're using a third-party app, this is against Instagram's terms and conditions, so they most likely flagged your account and potentially put you on a ban for a few days. Most of the time when Instagram freezes an account and you get sorry there was a problem with your request, or there was a problem logging you into Instagram, please try again soon, it's because they put your account on freeze and you just need to wait a few days. Another reason is that Instagram just could be down right now, so again, it's just a waiting game. And the third reason is Instagram's old and it's broken, and every time they release a new update, they end up breaking something else, which gives us, the users, problems. And despite it being broken, there are some hacks, tips and tricks and ways to get around this. So with that being said, let's fix your Instagram login problems and get you back into your account. First, check if Instagram is down. It could be down worldwide or it could be down just in your region or country. I use downdetector.com to see if it is down. Next, check for any updates. If there are, update the app, see if that helps. The third thing I suggest is see if your Instagram is still there. Go and get a friend to check it, or just go onto instagram.com/your username in a browser. And when I mean instagram.com/your username, actually type out your username. See if the account's still there. If it is, good. If it's not, you have a different problem in your hand. Tip number 4, when logging in, try putting in your email instead of your username. Tip number 5, try resetting your password. See if that helps. Tip number 6, try logging in on desktop instead of your phone. Now, tip number 7, if you can log in on your desktop, try using a different phone. If a different phone works, it's most likely that Instagram has flagged your device, and there's a bunch of different things that I'm going to list out right now that you can do to fix this. First, or tip number 8, try deleting Instagram off your phone and downloading it again. Tip number 9, and if it isn't urgent, you can try deleting Instagram off your phone and just leave it a few days. Take a few days, take a break from Instagram. If Instagram isn't your moneymaker and it's not your business, I'm sure you'll manage without. With a lot of these issues, Instagram's pretty broken and it just takes a little bit of time to get them back on track. Tip number 10 is to try deleting the app and make sure you delete the data with it as well. And then when you try and log back in later after downloading again, try the send code option and then resend code option. If this doesn't work, try using a VPN on your phone. Tip number 12, now this one's a pain, but it's the one that's helped me out the most, is actually resetting my phone. When I've reset my phone, it works, but the only issue is that if I try to restore all the data I had on my phone previously back to the phone, the issue will come back. So you need to reset your phone and start off with a blank slate for Instagram to work again and to log in. And before you reset your phone, here's a few more tips. And if it's specifically the code that you're not receiving, try deleting the app, delete its data, download it again, and then do the send code or resend code option, but tap it once every 60 seconds or more. Leave an interval between, don't spam it. I actually saw on Reddit that this one helped quite a few people out. Tip number 14 is after hitting send code multiple times, some people get a new button that appears, which is get more help or get support. Tap on it and go through that process. Tip number 15, again, you got to delete the app and its data and then re-download it, but this time, before logging in, tap on get more help. Here, you hopefully will be able to find an option that will allow you to send a video selfie to verify that it's your account, and Instagram will help you get back into it. And then tip number 16, this one's a long one, but I think it's one of the ones that works the most. Go to this form, select Instagram, and then select how do I contact Meta with questions. After that, click on what should I do if I have other questions, which is the 5th option, and then click I still have a question about the privacy policy. Then fill out the form, you'll get a response from them not too long afterwards, and then respond to that email and explain your situation, and hopefully they'll be able to help you get back into your account. Just make sure to state that you didn't violate any of the terms of services and you just want to get access back into your account. And the link to this form, by the way, is going to be in the description down below. And now hopefully one of the tips I've mentioned in this video works. If it does, let me know in the description down below so other people can know which ones are the most helpful. And then if you have any other tips to add on top of this, post them down in the comments as well. I hope this helped. Peace out.